Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see sent friends request on Facebook. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. To do that, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. So now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says friends. After you tap on this friends, as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this section friends request, this one. As you can see, this friends request, tap on it. After you tap on this friends request, tap on this three dot at the top right side. So now tap on this view sent request. So in this section, all I have to do now, here is all these friend requests that I sent. As you can see now, 175 people I sent their friend request, but they did not accept it. So if you want to just cancel the friend request, all I have to do now, tap on this cancel button. As you can see now, I'm just going to just cancel the friend request. As you can see now, you can just follow them and cancel all the friend requests that you sent. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.